Aye, nanga sajena, ke borol daw like do you. Kumogle lo, la roningo, kumo la rodua, kage ibadu, olai du ye, nave ye ara. Ashe baba, ashol jorela. Ashe baba, ashenje unorai. Tonne na subadi nigindasa, oh baba jo ashe. Hello, Jambo everyone. My name is Teto, Tutuma, and my friends prefer to call me Modern Maasai. I am a peddler of peace, singing and telling stories with this guitar, accompanied by my band, the Purple Warriors. Soft African percussions blend with guitars and acoustic drums to give a sound nation newspaper once described as having got an international appeal. I have not been like this always though. If you had been following Mnet Africa Idols, you may remember this.
With an audition tour that spanned 7 international boundaries, the mix of cultural sounds was amazing. The question is though, can a born cultural entertainer in Kenya also impress fans and judges across the continent?
My name is Teto Tutuma, and I'm from Kitengela, from Kajiado district in the south of Nairobi, and I'm an artist. Hopefully, I'm hoping to get my music out soon. I entered the idols because I am a representation of Africa, I believe. And yes, an image of Kenya, this is me.
So, Teto, what makes you so unique?
I don't know, I'm in touch with what I am, where I'm from, my culture.
So in your mind, you are undoubtedly the next idol?
In my mind? Man, I am the next idol. Come on.
All right. Well, all the best. Go get him out there.
Thanks.
All right.
It all started at the Alliance Française de Nairobi when I first got live on stage with the famous Uyoga band. I later went on to get on different stages with the likes of Idi Achieng, Abi, Barbara Gwantai, Sauti Soul, Susanna Owio, among others. Beginning this Easter, catch an experience of a lifetime, the Modern Maasai Tour. On the 6th of April this year, all roads lead to Esidai County Hotel, Kitengela, for my album release, listening party, and the first leg of the Modern Maasai Tour. Your ticket not only gives you an opportunity to experience a lifetime event, but it also offers you dinner. So what's your plan? I invite you to Esidai County Hotel on the 6th of April this year for a cultural experience. Don't say I didn't tell you. Hit the like button below to let your friends know what you may be up to this Easter. Catch you there.